We are going to make chicken bowls today, and I'm using 2 chicken breasts, and we're going to season those. I found every seasoning I could find to put in here because this meat is the only thing I'm seasoning. I'm not seasoning anything else as far as my vegetables or my potatoes or rice, whatever you decide. That's why I season the meat so well. And I'm putting crushed pepper on here because I want a little heat on it. So what I do is, like I say, I'm seasoning this with everything I got in my cabinet. And you guys can season it with just salt and pepper if that's what you like. But I'm putting a little bit of everything on here because I want my chicken breast to be well seasoned. I use my smoked paprika, you know that. And you know this, man. Garlic powder. I have used garlic and herb seasoning, crushed red pepper, white pepper, Creole seasoning, seasoned salt, cilantro lime seasoning, smoked paprika. You guys, like I say, I am putting everything on this chicken. I'm even putting curry powder. Why not? Right? Why not? Putting about 2 tablespoons of oil in here. That's all I need for my chicken. Look at that chicken. That is some seasoned chicken right there. Seasoned side down. I'm going to let this fry for about 4 to 6 minutes on each side. And I didn't slice this chicken up because it's just easier for me to slice it once it's cooked. And we're going to also saute some onion in here. Okay, that's been cooking for about 4 minutes. We'll go ahead and flip that over. Oh, look at it. That is looking gorgeous. I'm going to turn it down to a low heat. That's actually cooking a little faster than I want. So we'll cook that for another 4 minutes. And then we'll add the onion. And we're going to start slicing and dicing here. You can leave them in strips or you can cut them into chunks. I prefer cutting mine into chunks. It's just easier. Bite-sized pieces, I'll say. It's just easier to eat them that way. But I love this cast iron skillet. Okay, I turn the heat up a little more. We got our meat all chopped up. Now we're going to add our chopped onion. We're just going to stir those down in there into the hot pan and let those cook in. But it sure does turn out good. Okay, we got our onion all cooked up in there, and it is now done. Now you can put rice with this or potatoes, but now we're going to build our bowl. I'm going to use the rice to build the bowl.